Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features some of the most exciting and epic bikers encounters out there. We got it all, from close calls to road rage and many more. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes, and I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy this one, because in our first video already we have a hectic road rage at a gas station. Sit back and enjoy in this one.
What's that?
Okay. The Jezza.
Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features some of the most exciting and epic bikers encounters out there. We got it all, from close calls to road rage and many more. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes, and I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy this one, because in our first video already we have a hectic road rage at a gas station. Sit back and enjoy in this one. One of them had a bat or something that resembled a bat, at least in his hand, but the other guy was not intimidated at all. They took their shirts off and it came to some pushing and shoving. We do not condone actions like these, and we strongly urge you to refrain from raging and seek a more peaceful solution in situations like this one. Dealing with young ones can be really stressful sometimes, and that's exactly the case here, as this child ran onto the road.
Daddy, chill.
Get over here!
Holy sh**. What the hell? Yo, that ran in the street. Oh my goodness. Am I recording? Yeah, I am.
Crossing the road during a rush hour and at no crosswalk is totally crazy, but this pedestrian, well, he didn't care.
Jesus Christ, man, what, man?
Biker was already in the roundabout, which means he had the right of way, but this driver was not bothered, not at least. He still pulled out right in front of him and nearly caused an accident.
Oh, very pretty.
Biker caught a road rage moment between a BMW and a Lexus driver. They were cutting each other off earlier on, and unfortunately, the biker got caught up in it even though he had nothing to do with the situation. This is why we always say that raging can get other innocent people involved, and no one wants that. Biker was out riding on a wet road. The conditions are not so great for a bike ride, and if that wasn't enough, a biker always needs to keep one eye on his surroundings, because drivers these days are reckless. Double danger, one would say. Check out how an elderly gentleman behaved in this situation.
Why?
You're supposed to be extra careful while driving at night, because you can't see clearly. But that didn't bother this driver too much. He still pulled out in front of the biker and nearly caused a mass havoc on the road. We all make mistakes. We're human after all, it's in our nature. But rarely will you see someone apologize and admit it.
What the f? Okay.
Biker got nearly hit by a crazy jag driver who didn't bother paying attention while changing lanes. As a result, the biker made sure to pull up at him at the next traffic lights, and believe it or not, but the jag driver was even afraid to look at his eye.
Hey! Better look where I'm going.
This biker was filtering through traffic, and it looks like someone got really jealous. When the biker moved at the top of the queue, the driver that was behind got really jealous. He moved up and hit his camera in the process. This biker positioned himself really well in this situation. He didn't sit behind the van driver, but rather more to the side, and he had a clear view of what's up ahead. This positioning might have saved his life as the van man suddenly cut him off. This move is totally mind-boggling. Driver passed the biker on the inside of his own lane. He had an open lane on the opposite side, and if he was that much determined to overtake, he should have at least done it in the other way around. Road markings are there for a reason, and unfortunately, a lot of drivers, especially nowadays, don't pay attention, and this is what can happen.
Uh-oh. Alert.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the dog doing?
What the?
Bruh.
Look at this dude.
Bruh.
Biker got distracted for a split second. Just a split second. But that was enough to cause a wreck on the road, as he rear-ended a fellow biker. Luckily he was wearing his gear and he ended up with some minor bruises. Do you see how little it takes for something bad to happen? Watch and learn, drivers.
Jesus H. Christ. Holy Jesus. What is that? What the is that?
Right about now. What's up? We need you to ride. But it's
We work so hard. And straight for a red light. Nice one. Well,
Biker got nearly hit by a crazy driver who cut right in front of him and took his right of way. Luckily, an accident was avoided by a hair's breadth. Biker was already at the roundabout, but that didn't prevent this driver from pulling out right in front of him and nearly causing an accident. The biker had to sit on his horn for the driver to notice him, and this wasn't pleasant, not a bit. This rude BMW driver tried to forcefully cut his way in front of these bikers. Well, at least he tried to, and this is how it looked like. With this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode of Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something out of all the mistakes you saw. If you like my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it really helps a lot. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.